どこでもアートどこでもアート
Once upon a time, a little line appeared. It started walking all on its own. Suddenly, another line popped up.
Ooh, what's that? A cake shop?
More and more lines started showing up.
A car zoomed by. Whoa, that looks awesome.
Before I even noticed, my drawing turned into something cool. Isn't that interesting?
Worksheet 1. The magical single line. Let's try drawing one line that touches the ground perfectly. Try it on your worksheet. You can draw anything, whatever you imagine. Here's a little secret. If the bottom of your drawing touches the line, it looks like it's standing on the ground. Cool. Now for something even more fun. Worksheet 2. Lots of lines. Let's draw with many lines this time. Imagine the bottom line is super close, and the ones above are farther and farther away. Start by drawing your favorite things along the bottom line, and then add more on the next lines above it. Keep going. Now take a step back and look. The drawings on the bottom look closer, and the ones on top look far away. You've just created depth. That's the magic of art. Worksheet 3. Idea Explosion. Here's the trick. Small drawings on the top line look super far away. This is called perspective, a cool artist tool to make your pictures pop. Got lots of ideas now? Awesome! Grab a big sheet of paper. We are going to make your masterpiece. First, sketch with a pencil. Do you want your paper standing tall or lying wide? Pick your style. Draw something big near the bottom, it looks close. Then add another line above it and draw something else. Keep going. Add more lines and more drawings, each one smaller than the last. Soon, your art will be full of overlapping surprises. Now, let's paint. Let's bring your drawing to life with color. Use watered-down paint to color the things that are far away first. It makes them soft and dreamy. When that's dry, paint the close-up things using thicker paint. The closer things will really pop. Layer your colors one by one and watch your picture grow into an amazing overlapping masterpiece. You did it! Your artwork is full of depth, layers, and magic. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more colorful adventures.